Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have the essentials, now start the grind. Equip Wukong with a focus lens and the damage mods you normally use. This preserves affinity. Once done, choose a short, repeatable mission. A low-level survival or interception works best, and bring a weapon that can clear trash quickly. Make sure to toggle any affinity or experience boosters before you drop. You want consistent, fast kills. This raises your focus gains. Move in, clear waves, and keep pacing steady to farm reliably. Now focus on maximizing each wave's output. You should pull enemies into dense groups, then use area weapons or Wukong's abilities to finish many at once. This increases shared affinity with your frame. Once abilities are active, stagger their use so you maintain uptime while conserving energy. This keeps you alive and farming longer. Make sure to pick up affinity orbs and stay near your kills so affinity funnels to Wukong. Continue cycling missions quickly to keep the multiplier and booster synergy intact. Finish runs deliberately. Stop when affinity gains drop or your boosts run out. You should return to the menu, open your focus panel, and convert earn points while they're fresh. Once back at the orb, allocate focus to Wukong's tree selections you planned. If something goes wrong, say you earned little affinity, check that the focus lens was equipped, that you were the affinity recipient in squad settings, and that boosters were active. Rerun short missions after correcting these items to recover lost progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.